OCR Optical Character Recognition. You can select the OCR EnCase Processor option to perform optical character recognition on image files and PDFs. You can then perform index searching on your evidence. The OCR option must be selected at the same time or prior to the index text and metadata evidence processor option is selected. The OCR option can find and index text in PDFs and the following image file formats: BMP, GIF, JFIF, PCX, PNG, TIFF. Note: if you reprocess evidence with the OCR option selected, the Overwrite Evidence Cache checkbox on the EnCase Processor Options dialog must be selected along with the index text and metadata checkbox in order to update the evidence cache containing images processed with optical character recognition. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.